Thread Logic by Sid. Hello my YouTube friend. Welcome to my channel Thread Logic by Sid. Today we will learn the beginner's step of crochet work. And today we will learn how to do slip knot and chain stitch. In my next tutorial we will learn different type of stitches of crochet work. And the most important thing is that if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe, like and share my channel videos with your family and friends. And now for this project I take the yarn of red color and the hook of 5mm. You can take any type of hook in which you are comfortable, but I take 5mm hook for this project. Most of the people hold the hook like a pencil, and the second type of people hold the hook like a knife, like this knife. Use in which you are comfortable. In my next tutorial I will going to teach you single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and triple crochet. And now we are going to start slip knot. For slip knot, take the yarn like this and just twist it out and take it. This is the easiest way of slip knot, making slip knot. Again, see, again I'm doing it again. Watch it properly. Twist the yarn like that, twist and just take it out. It is very easy to understand and make this type of slip knot. And then insert the hook like this. Now we are going to start chain stitch. Hold it like that. I am left-handed. Take the yarn over the yarn like that. I am telling you in a very slow motion. Over the yarn like that and take it out like that. This is the first chain. And over the yarn like that and just take it out from the loop. Over the yarn and just take it out. These 3 stitches of chain. Over the yarn and just take it out like that. This is very simple stitch and you have to practice at your home, and practice make you perfect in chain stitch like that. Most of the crochet stitch, this step of chain stitch is very necessary, so you have to learn it first and then we will go to the next steps. Like that, chain like that, over the yarn and take it out, take out from the loop like that. I take the chain of 10 stitches. You have to take whatever your project is. And in next tutorial I will teach you how to do single crochet. And in the next tutorial you have to be in touch with me, so please subscribe my channel, like it my channel videos and be with me and share my channel to your family and friends. Then till then, tata, bye bye.